Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your user experience with Optimizely. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Optimizely website and log into your account. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard to become familiar with the interface. Identify the project you want to secure user experience for. Click on the project to open its settings and features. Look for the Settings tab in the left-hand menu and click on it. Within the settings, locate the Permissions section. Here, you can manage user access and define roles for your team members. Review existing roles and determine if any changes are necessary. To add a new user, click on the Add User button. Input the new user's email address and assign them a role that fits their responsibilities. Ensure you click Save to update the user list with the new addition. Next, navigate back to the dashboard and select the Experiment section. Choose an existing experiment or click on Create Experiment to start a new one. As you set up your experiment, ensure that you implement proper targeting to reach the intended audience. Utilize Optimizely's audience segmentation tools to refine who sees the experiment. In the experiment settings, define your success metrics to measure the user experience effectively. Make sure to include both quantitative and qualitative metrics for a comprehensive view. Once the experiment is set up, review all details for accuracy. Preview the experiment to ensure everything appears as intended. When confident, launch the experiment and monitor real-time results. During the experiment, regularly check the analytics dashboard for insights. Analyze the data collected to understand user behavior and preferences. Based on the findings, make informed decisions to enhance the user experience. As the experiment concludes, evaluate the overall performance against your metrics. Implement the most successful variations based on your analysis for future use. Document lessons learned to refine your approach in future experiments. Continuously iterate on your strategies to secure an optimal user experience over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.